Uh, Hello everyone, this is Shubham Shukla. I have secured an All India rank of 43 in the recently concluded UPSC CSE 2021, and a lot of people have been asking me what I did for prelims, a test series and all. So there are a couple of test series that I had used. Most of them were free of cost. But there was this one series that I had subscribed. It was of Enlights I guess करके. ठीक है, तो उनका टेस्ट सीरीज मैंने सब्सक्राइब किया हुआ था, एंड I had around 28 or 32 tests, although honestly I did not write all of them. मैंने 22 या 23 ही लिखे थे, but then the questions were good and एक feedback अच्छा मिला था, and most importantly the test series and all are designed by toppers and everyone. So जो upcoming pre है उसके test series, I'm in the team that is designing the test series free of cost. That means जो मैं questions डालूंगा I won't be taking like money for them or ऐसा करके anything like that. It's like a very free initiative by the toppers, and usually it's the toppers that design the test series. And I have personally found that the test series was good, एंड कुछ क्वेश्चंस रिपीट भी हुए थे मेरे वाले टाइम में. एक तो सोडियम वेपर लैम्प वाला क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली मुझे याद है, वो क्वेश्चन आया था उसमें किसी एक एनलाइट्स के मॉक में. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वांटेड टू टेल यू पीपल की एनलाइट्स के टेस्ट सीरीज में आई वाज पार्ट. once upon a time I was a part as a student. This time I'll be part as one of those people who will be making the test series. So I wish students appearing for prelims in the coming year all the best. And also at the same time, I would like to thank the Enlights team for having me as a student and now as a mentor in the test series wala program. So thank you so very much and have a very pleasant evening. Goodbye. Take care. Best of luck.